tayo sa Costco. Namili kami ng konti. Ayun nga, namili kami ng konti. So, magbabayad muna kami.
Please begin scanning. Please begin scanning. $99. Place your item.
Nag-sale siya. So, kumuha kami ng tatlo.
$4.
Or maybe fish.
Credit. $4. $18.99. $16.99.
I had salmon.
$23.98.
Nag-sale yung spam guys. $23 siya. Naging 17. So, bumili ako ng dalawa.
$23.99. Credit. $6.
Sayang naman yun. 23 something naging 17.
$23.99. Credit. $6.
You like this one?
$19.99. Credit. $5.
Line.
$5.79.
Orange for baby.
$8.99.
Cherry tomatoes. My favorite. Our favorite.
$49.
Ayan, di ba ang bilis lang sa bayaran na natin?
Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
Hot dog at saka bacon.
How do you put the hot dog in the
Bake.
bake?
And bake.
Hot dog and what's the other one?
Bake, chicken bake.
Chicken bake. Bake. One chicken bake and one hot dog.
$153.99.
Yeah. Thank you.
Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
This one.
We are unable to complete your transaction. Please touch the return button to select credit. Follow the instructions on the pin pad.
Yay! Ganun lang kadali.
Thank you for
Bilis.
shopping at Costco.